Hello, good afternoon everyone. Wendy here from Wendy's Craft Den. And I've decided, and I'm going to be brave, and I'm going to doctor this stamp. Now, I'm not a qualified doctor, so please do this in your own way, but this is the way I'm doing it. Now, you can see there's plenty of room here to cut between them, but it's very important that you cut with your scissors straight, like that. Oh, well, like that. If you cut at an angle, then what's going to happen is, if I show you on here without doing it, if you cut at an angle, you're going to cut all of this foam off here, and then your stamp will be wonky then. Now, I must say, I did start watching, what's the name? dawnstampingthoughts.net. That's what I've been watching before doing this. So, like I said, keep your scissors nice and flat. Okay? So, I can show you there. See, there's still plenty of sponge in between. And if you want to, you can sort of tidy that up a bit like that. And there we go. Don't go too close to the image though, because you don't want to be too close either. Now, I know many of you might have done this, and some of you have been wanting to, but not sure about it. Well, that's all you've got to remember is don't go very close to the image, and keep your scissors flat, like that. If you put them like that, you're going to have a wonky cut. And of course, probably you've been better to do it before cutting, but hey ho, we don't know about that. Right, you see my scissors are in line top and bottom, rather than like that. Like I said, I'm not a qualified surgeon, so whichever way you do it, you probably do it better than me. But I haven't got the money to I haven't got money to pay for no compensate or anything like that. So please do it at your own way. What I did do, I did put an order in, which should be here. What day is it? Tuesday. Should be here maybe Wednesday, tomorrow or Thursday. And then I will have a big stamp as well. Again, see, I'm keeping the scissors that way, not that way. That way is no good. What you can do then is, you see, is just tidy them up a bit, give them a bit of a shape, but don't go too close. It is also better if you've got non-stick scissors, if you know what I mean, because obviously with the backing, didn't take enough off it. Because this is sticky, your scissors will get stuck. So use I don't know, what do you call them? Do you call them non-sticks? Oh yeah, of course you do, Wendy Twit. Dear me. Yeah, non-stick scissors. Like you get non-stick frying pans, we can get non-stick scissors. Right, now then there's just this last one to go now. And another reason I'm doing this is there were some beautiful papers that were released with these, the stamp of the day. And it sold out. It was so popular and it sold out so quick. And I really wish I had bought it when I was buying these two. I should have bought the whole thing. But of course now what I need is, see me keeping the scissors flat at all times. I'm just tidying up the edges now. Yeah, well, sorry, I lose track of what I'm saying. I get so engrossed with what I'm doing. Yes, there's some DSP, Designer Series paper, came with this, and that just flew out. It really did. It flew out, and it was out of stock so quick. So the reason I wanted to cut these down was so I could make my own DSP. Now I'll be doing this in another video once I find my other phone, because this one is driving me dotty at the moment. So there we go. We now have 6 stamps, all independently waiting for me look back here, flying away too soon you are. Just going to cut that little snook off there, and there we go, all done. Be careful when you do yours, obviously with the scissors and everything, but take your time and just always don't get too close to the image, and keep your scissors like that. If you put them like that, you will end up cutting into that, and then when you go and stamp, see if I can push that back. Yeah, when you go and stamp, there's not going to be anything there to stamp with. So there we go. I finally took up the courage to do it, and thanks very much to dawnstampingthoughts.net, because she did a video on it, and I thought, well, I'm feeling bored, I know what I'll do. Okay, so have a good evening, and please take care, and be safe at all times. Bye.